So here's opened a photo on my Photoshop, and to add a border to the photo, first of all, make sure to unlock your photo layer and click on image and click on canvas size. And here, first of all, we have to enable relative. So just check this box to enable. And here, let's add border amount. So here's I'm adding 50%, 50 pixel width and 50 pixel height border, and clicking on OK. And now click on the solid color icon and select a border color from this list. I'm selecting orange color, and now just drag this layer and put this under this image layer. And here, as you can see, a border successfully added to this image.